You don't have to speak a word. I feel your heart in every bird that sing outside me window pane, like they know I miss you all the same. Me suitcase full of silent prayers and letters I won't ever share, but every step I take alone still whispers your name in the unknown. You call me home without a phone, with just a look, my soul gets known. Even when me miles away, I hear your voice and how me pray. You call me home like Sunday rain, like old school songs and sugar cane. You're the peace my spirit seek, even when me strong get weak. Me try to move on, me try to hide, but your memory walks right by my side. You in my dream, you in my song, you're the place me heart belong. I built some walls, but you break through with love that don't fade like others do. You're me sunrise, me resting ground, the only place my soul feels sound. You call me home without a phone, with just a touch, me heart gets known.